I am now inside Margao market. On a Sunday, everything is shut. 90% of the shops are shut. If you want to buy something, Sunday is not the day. Some shops are still open, but overall, not a good sight. Some hardworking people. Dada, Riddhi, we lost. Which way? Even with location, we are lost. Oh, exit. Think we took the wrong turn. We have to buy some choris, but we reached outside. Riddhi is leading us in the wrong direction. This is what it looks like on the outside. 80% of the shops are shut. We've lost our path. We've lost our friends. 3 of our important friends are missing somewhere in this market. Too hot today. Any other day of the week, this place would be full of people. Some shady looking locals. There, we've spotted one of our friends, my dear Pierre. Second best friend of mine in the whole world. Oh, there's another friend of ours, Nene. And the third one. Oh shit, we found all 3 of them in the same place. Pierre acting like the local because he is from here. Stud boy Sammy. Wait, now we found something that we want to buy.
You can go that. She also has good stuff.
Oh yes,
You can check
that
that
auntie
also.
was lying, bro. She told us you won't get choris today. Yeah.
Choris Pavna, we have to go to that place.
Yeah. No, the
We'll be
choris.
seeing the video again. Hello.
Come.
Properly.
Sammy wants a second go. Outfit check. This is how he's come to shop in Margao.
Let's go.
This is how the locals look like. And this, I don't know, this auntie. She was here when Goa was made. I have, bro. I got mint. I don't encourage cigarettes. This is what Goan chorizo. Very famous.
No, I want meat one.
100 piece?
So beautiful.
Looking like a
Wow. Tastes equally beautiful. Auntie is counting the beads.
beads. That's what it's called.
Yeah.
I thought internet was
No.
so it looks so gelatinous.
सिल्वर फाइल पैक करो ना
For flight.
How much on your
200.
200.
हाँ 100 got over फट करके.
One more. Chalo, I'll take 100 pounds.
Such a nice guy.
Such a nice boy. What a good
Such
boy.
a nice guy. I love him. He is my brother. What is your name, auntie?
Veronica.
Veronica, say hi.
Hi.
And auntie, what is your name?
Victoria.
Victoria.
Victoria
Oh,
DeCosta.
Veronica and Victoria, y'all are sisters or what? No, good friends. Yeah.
Auntie didn't say anything. Because
Auntie's counting, no?
Sorry, auntie.
Yeah.
Then you get
Yeah.
No, why? You can give more also, no?
some more. I
Today's Friendship Day, Auntie.
Thank you.
Yes. My brother. No, no, Auntie, you're so young. You're what, 25? 16? No, I thought only. 1-6, yeah. You also?
No, 49.
You're 19 and 16.
So cute.
Some.
So yummy.
500.
Made from the earth. Vegetarian.
Thank you.
Ooh, deal has been completed.
Oh, cow is better. You don't use artificial casing. But artificial casing will not work. Like how they do for sausages.
Q&A session with the locals.
It has to be cow intestine.
Cow intestine eating, no, it is eatable. Only
It's
thread you
the-
have to draw. Thread.
Yeah, thread is not edible, guys.
Thread, yeah. Wow, I can see the fat dripping from it.
Nene can see the fats dripping.
Hot is then outside sun.
Yeah.
That's what
So, Auntie, Sunday they say that the shops are shut. Why all are open? So hardworking.
Hardworking वाला sausage वाला hardworking हुई.
Yeah, na? What is the process? How you make it?
पण जायते काम बाबा.
Huh? Lot hard work.
Should be there in the meat.
That is
Mother-in-law.
your mother-in-law.
Where is your QR code, auntie?
Okay. Auntie threw the sausages. Thank you so much, Auntie. Say bye.
Thank you.
Say bye. Say hi. Wait, Auntie. Yes, Auntie, you also say bye.
Bye.
Nice smile here. You also.
Thank you.
Chalo. Bye. Fatima is not come today. Huh? Oh, sorry.
Sorry.
We are back outside, guys. अरे उधर गाड़ी.
Who stole my shades? Beach, you have your own. Chalo, what's next?
Yes, we are back on the road. Done with our shopping. Sammy, again fit check. Now we are looking for a place to eat food. The same two. Hey, wait, shit, these people are ruining my vlog. Here, people are here to make my vlog better. Not a local. The two lovely aunties recommended this place called Roshni.
Which place?
Roshni,
Oh my god.
by the end of this road.
Is it nearby? Like,
Yeah.
I'm done walking. Sammy, give me my shades, bitch. You're just like holding them in your hand.
But auntie has recommended रोशनी तो अपन देख के थे ना एक बार. अब जो दो कितने अच्छे आंटियाँ थी यार वो. We should keep ना their थोड़ा सा respect. Hmm? Riddhi, guys, please never call her auntie. She doesn't like it. Call her Didi. She's fine with it. I will not repeat that. Pierre walking with the locals.
Oh, you're only yeah.
ये साइड नैने. We have found Hotel Roshni. Just like the auntie said we would.
What time is it shutting?
चल देख के तो आते हैं एक बार.
आधा घंटा बहुत है यार खाना खाने के लिए. Goa price is 10 minutes from here.
I'm saying if those aunties have suggested, recommended, then we can see it, at least see it, na?
So till what time is it open? Till 11 p.m. Afternoon is not shut. No, showing on Google. You can call them and ask them. Call and check. This I don't know how it is, Papa. They may recommend it.
Guys, what exactly?
I will see.
Lunch.
This is Hotel Roshni.
Are we going anywhere near Swadhyay?
Bro, roast omelette and all is there, na? We can try.
Or maybe I can get off and then join you guys. तो फिर मैं उतर के I'll join you guys somewhere wherever.
She wants to go.
Up AC? Is there is AC section also on top?
हाँ लो भाई इतना मत.
अच्छा.
4 times she said.
I didn't listen.
But it's closed.
There's one. You're 10 minutes away.
ठीक है चलेगा चलेगा. Later only after lunch I'll go meet my aunt.
This side.
We are back on the streets. We have lost this battle. Sorry, Hotel Roshni. This girl has changed 5 people's mind to go to another place. She finds this place too shady.
Arey, he's a bastard. Apparently only customers are allowed to use. Only customers are? If you're sitting away, then can you use the washroom? I went to ask. That's fucked up then.
So now we are going to this place called Longinus or something. Some very Goan sounding name.
Because Aaron also did chucha.
वो है पियर. Aaron does. उसकी शक्ल पे
Aaron does chucha. His face doesn't.
Aaron does.
Not his mouth.
Here is like कैसे टूट गया थे? अब पहले
पूछा ही नहीं किया अरे बेचारे ने कुछ नहीं बोला. फिर भी गई. How accommodating.
He came back to this lane again.
नहीं all lanes look same only. ए रुक जाओ दोस्तों. She's gone to see some dress. किया देख चेचे चूचू किया उसने. तो दुकान में गई और पियर ने चेचे चूचू किया.
अभी किया?
हाँ.
क्या बोला ये?
अरे चल ना यार टेलर ना ड्यूटी फर्स्ट. नॉट द फर्स्ट वन. इधर क्रॉक्स है विद एन एक्स. See there, there's a Crocs with an X.
Sweating.
Now we are back to the same road.
Yeah, they're giving prize. Let's give our number, name.
नहीं फिर वापस आना पड़ेगा ना कलेक्ट करने.
आते हैं भाई वही तो.
स्कूटी लेने आएगी तू वापस.
बहाना मिल जाएगा ना.
चला के जाएंगे फिर. स्वेटी नहीं लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन. स्वेटी.
Checking map, guys,
Yeah, it is. Worst thing to do in your life, make hungry people walk. We were at Hotel Roshni. This girl made us change our minds. Now we are back to the car, going to another place. I will keep you all posted.
को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
You will also lose it, mate.
एलॉय का तो गिनती में नहीं ले रहे कोई. मैं भी यही साइड में बैठा हूँ. Guys, we are in the big boss car.
Oh my God, you got all of that, Aloy.
नहीं I didn't.
Thank God.
जो तू रिद्धि पे बढ़ के वो पार्ट नहीं है. Now we are going to the second place. क्या था वो जगह का नाम guys? Longinus. Longinos.
I think he's Malayali.
लॉन्जरे में खाएंगे.
Naughty.
Finally made it to Longinos. Kitty's Corner selling nuts. Motion camera, I think.
Motion camera.
This This is it, guys. Longino's.
Having raw onion is not a thing in Goa food, no? With food. ये अलग बात है कड़क